Is your mouse pointer missing in Windows and you are stuck without being able to click anything? Then don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to restore your mouse cursor using only keyboard shortcuts. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus X. Then use the down arrow key to select Device Manager and press Enter. When Device Manager opens, press the Tab key. Then use the down arrow key until you reach Mice and other pointing devices. Now press the right arrow key to expand it. Then use the down arrow key to select your mouse. Now press Shift plus F10 to open the shortcut menu. Now use the down arrow key to select Uninstall device. Then press Enter. After that, press Enter again to confirm. Next, press Alt plus F4 to close Device Manager. Now press Alt plus F4 again to open the Shutdown Windows dialog and press Enter to restart your PC. After restart, Windows will automatically reinstall the mouse driver and your mouse cursor should be visible again. Now as you can see, it's working perfectly. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.